But that's a lot of detail that is actually a really good starting point so that you don't have to write it manually yourself. And just to go through some important prompting principles here, the reason why this very first prompt needs to be as detailed as it can be is because this is the starting image. So you're essentially going to transform this very basic image that you feed the AI model into something almost completely new, which is why this is important. But if you go to the ending image prompt, if you open that, you can see all we have is a simple prompt and a direction around the camera. And the reason why this is more simple is because we'll be using the starting image as input for the ending image. So if you try to over prompt this, it's very possible that the image will look completely different, which is not what we want, because remember, the starting and ending image should be part of the same scene. And then finally, the transition prompt, if you open this, again, it's a very simple prompt where you're just going to direct the AI model around what camera movement you want, as well as the action of the product itself, which in this case, we're literally just saying that the product remains static. And by the way, this is also the core reason why we are generating it in steps, because in N8N, you can make this into a full automation where if you click on this button, it will handle generating the images and the video for you without any sort of manual review, which is great if you're optimizing for efficiency. But if you're optimizing for quality, it's almost always better to have what we call a human in the loop, where yourself as the creative director in this whole project should inspect these prompts to see if they're fit for your purpose.